Fucking Josh James here.
We're gonna make a bit of a YouTube friendly video. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna call these people outside fucking knobbleheads and gonna see what they say.
Here's a little welcome video.
Here's my first fucking victim. Excuse me, you're a knobblehead. Oh, sorry mate. Sorry mate, you're a freak.
Hi.
Yeah.
In an Australian accent. She was like, nah thanks.
I don't ask them all the time if they want pies. Nathan shit my car last week and I was like, no. Let's find some of them dirty slags around the UK. Are you one of the UK's finest slags?
Oh my god, there's a fucking... No! Okay, we're stopping. We stopped.
Filming in glorious 4K. Excuse me!
You wankers!
Are you homeless? Yeah, we're parking here. Oh no. We need to go to Subway. You know what they call me in Australia? They call me the Subwanian devil.
Sad cat, mate.
Loads of whore over there.
As you can see, John's a lonely man with the... She didn't cross the road.
Can we get some lettuce, peppers, onions?
What would you like?
Oh look, they sell fish food here.
Let's tomatoes and cucumber, please.
Did you see lettuce, tomato, cucumber?
Indian
Do I get lettuce? Lettuce. Things that come with lettuce.
lettuce.
We have my phone too.
My voicemail.
Your screen's off. There's none there.
It looks so weird. I'm looking over there and I see it.
No, there it is again. That stinky heart. Cat food. It's a stinky hat man. Well, stinky hat man, say it.
Order me a new hat.
Apparently this is part of my Subway.
Do you want paper on your salad? Lettuce, olives, tomato, cheese, paper.
I got two now. What you got to do in a cooking channel is one meatball and a slick lettuce. Meatball on top. And voila! Oh. Voila. Welcome to the Hunger Games. Courtney Aberdeen? Oh no, that's not.
It'll be a 10 if they actually cut it, but because they didn't, it's fucking shit.
They didn't cut our Subways.
You finished yours?
I know. I'll just eat it whole. I'll just drink this bottle without taking the lid off. Stinky Hat Man. He speaks. This is my neck and nominee. Basically, I'm gonna break the seal. Because I'm a fucking hard cunt. Or put a piece of lace. It's expanding. It's expanding. Drink it in one go.
Those noises.
You call me cool, nothing ever doing.
You gotta be an hard cunt to do this.
Nobody's gonna work with this. Shit! An idiot Joe in the head. What on earth is he doing? Oh, hello, I'm Harry Potter. Nice to meet you. Smell it.
What's thou ass looking for? Oh, dear Lord. It's Hagrid.
Dear Lord, Hagrid.
Oh, look at that, it's 40 pence. Oh, okay, it's 45 pence now.
Bargainator. The only free aisle in the shop.
Future wife there.
Where? Where's your future? Future wife, is it?
Yeah. No, I took it.
Oh yeah, that's your future wife.
7 p.m.
Oh my.
Whoa! All confident.
Oh. 10 p.m. It's time for
Oh shit.
Obama!
No fucking parent.
She'll get in you.
Oh. What the fuck is going on? Oh, look at Jeremy! What is going
What the fuck is going on?
What the fuck is my face doing on Joe? Hello, Joe! It's my name! So I look like a serial killer.
Spawns of Satan! Hello!
How much, ladies? Oh, a lot. Expensive.
Do you reckon if I drop my phone it'd be okay?
Cases don't work at 50 miles an hour. Casey Neistat couldn't even protect it. Not even with his specialised shades. I just know. Oh, taxi driver! Say hello. Now look at that turbo Toyota. Hamburger blow.
Oh no, he's gonna get that. We can easily fuck him up.
Hello. Excuse me, how much would go on? Chuck everyone could chuck a one. Bobbin or Slim? Bobbin or Slim? Bobbin or not so slim?